Interested in leading construction projects and building structures that last? Let's lay the foundation on how to become a construction manager. Construction managers plan, coordinate, budget, and supervise construction projects from start to finish. They ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to high standards. Start with a bachelor's degree in construction management or civil engineering. These programs provide crucial knowledge in building science, project management, and cost estimation. Hands-on experience is key. Internships and entry-level positions in construction firms offer real-world experience and a chance to apply your classroom learning on site. If you want to become a registered project manager in Australia, you will need to at least have a certificate IV in building and construction or equivalent, and at least 2 years of experience in the construction industry. You can then submit an application to obtain your building project manager license. With experience, you can manage larger projects or even run your own construction management firm. The opportunities to shape the environment are limitless. Ready to build your career as a construction manager? Start your journey today and lead projects that leave a lasting impact on landscapes and communities.